Discover smooth, quiet operation. Discover thoughtful, refined design. Discover the finest rowing experience out of the water. Engage your members with an intense, full-body workout that's as easy on the joints as it is demanding of the spirit. Your members will experience ergonomics that embrace consistent magnetic resistance, program quick keys, and accurate feedback that helps them get the most out of every stroke. Robust durability stands up to a steady stream of users, and a compact frame makes it easy to fit into your cardio floor, group training formats, or wherever it works best. Choose our rower to give your members the finest rowing experience out of the water.